you dreaming of escaping the chill with some winter sunshine, picturesque coastlines, and rich cultural experiences, without breaking the bank? The Mediterranean offers the perfect blend of affordability, beauty, and mild weather, making it an ideal destination for a winter getaway. In this video, we'll explore 5 stunning Mediterranean spots where you can soak up the sun, savor delicious local cuisine, and unwind, all while keeping your budget in check. From charming seaside towns to vibrant cities steeped in history, these destinations prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a memorable holiday. So, grab your travel list, and let's dive into the top 5 budget-friendly winter escapes in the Mediterranean. Imagine stepping into a sun-kissed archipelago where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Welcome to Malta, where winter feels like a gentle embrace. Start your journey in Valletta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where Baroque architecture lines the streets. Explore the Grand Harbour and lose yourself in the tales of the Knights of St. John. Hop over to Gozo, Malta's sister island, and discover the ancient citadel in Victoria. Take a coastal walk to witness breathtaking views, and don't miss the Tapinu Basilica, a marvel of architecture. For film enthusiasts, Popeye Village, the former film set turned theme park, offers a whimsical experience. And with fewer crowds in winter, you'll have these attractions almost to yourself. Indulge in Maltese cuisine, savor dishes like rabbit stew and pastizzi in local eateries. With average temperatures around 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, in February, Malta provides a mild and pleasant escape from the winter chill. Affordable accommodations, with average prices around €86 per night, make Malta a budget-friendly destination. So, pack your bags and set your sights on Malta for a winter getaway that promises both relaxation and adventure. Now we have Crete, Greece's largest island, where winter unveils a serene and authentic charm. Begin your adventure at the Palace of Knossos, the heart of Minoan civilization. Without the summer crowds, you can truly appreciate its ancient splendor. Venture to Elafonisi Beach, known for its pink sands and clear waters. While swimming might be brisk, the tranquil scenery is unparalleled. The Samaria Gorge offers hiking trails that are lush and green during winter, providing a refreshing experience for nature enthusiasts. In Hania, stroll through the Venetian harbor, where the blend of old-world architecture and modern cafes creates a captivating atmosphere. With average temperatures around 16 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, in February and accommodations averaging €80 per night, Crete offers an affordable and enriching winter escape. Embrace the island's warm hospitality, savor its rich cuisine, and immerse yourself in its timeless beauty. Discover Rhodes, an island where history, culture, and natural beauty converge, offering a perfect winter retreat. Wander through the medieval old town of Rhodes, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where cobblestone streets lead to ancient inns and grand fortresses. Climb to the Acropolis of Lindos for panoramic views of the Aegean Sea and explore the ancient ruins that whisper tales of bygone eras. The Valley of the Butterflies, though less populated in winter, provides serene hiking trails amidst lush landscapes. Indulge in local wines and traditional Greek dishes in cozy tavernas, experiencing the island's rich culinary heritage. Temperatures here are around 15 degrees, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, in February and accommodations are approximately €78 per night. Rhodes offers an affordable and culturally rich winter getaway. Embrace the island's mild climate, delve into its history, and enjoy the tranquility that winter brings. Welcome to Tunisia, North Africa's Mediterranean gem, where winter offers mild temperatures and a wealth of experiences. Begin in Tunis, exploring the Mdina's labyrinthine streets, bustling souks, and historic mosques. The blend of Arab, Berber, and French influences creates a unique cultural tapestry. Visit the ancient city of Carthage, where ruins tell tales of a powerful civilization that once rivaled Rome. The coastal town of Sidi Bou said, with its whitewashed buildings and blue accents, offers stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. For beach lovers, Hammamet provides pristine shores and a relaxed atmosphere, even in winter. With 7-night all-inclusive packages starting from £283 per person, Tunisia presents an affordable winter escape. Experience its rich history, diverse landscapes, and warm hospitality without the typical tourist crowds. Experience the allure of Cyprus, an island where ancient history and natural beauty create a captivating winter destination. In Paphos, explore the Paphos Archaeological Park, home to Roman villas adorned with intricate mosaics and the tombs of the kings, carved into solid rock. Hike the Caledonian Waterfall Trail in the Troodos Mountains, where autumnal forests and cascading streams offer a serene escape. Visit the Golden Donkeys farm in Skarinu for a unique halloumi-making experience and to learn about the island's agricultural heritage. The Akamas Peninsula, with its wild landscapes and Lara Bay turtle breeding grounds, provides an outdoor adventure. With average temperatures around 17 degrees Celsius, 63 degrees Fahrenheit, in February, Cyprus offers a mild climate ideal for exploration. Affordable accommodations and a rich cultural heritage make it a perfect winter getaway. Embrace the island's warm hospitality, savor its alluring cuisine, and uncover the treasures that await in Cyprus. As we wrap up our journey through these 5 enchanting and budget-friendly Mediterranean winter destinations, we hope you're inspired to embark on your own sun-soaked adventure. Whether it's the historic charm of Malta, the ancient wonders of Crete, the medieval allure of Rhodes, the vibrant culture of Tunisia, or the coastal beauty of Cyprus, each locale offers a unique escape from the winter chill. Remember, a memorable holiday doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With thoughtful planning and an adventurous spirit, the Mediterranean awaits with open arms, ready to provide warmth, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining us on this tour of winter escapes. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow travel enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Safe travels and happy exploring!